Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to create this very cute Mario keychain. This is made out of paper quilling strips. Isn't it looking super cute? So I will show you how to create each and every part with step-by-step and easy procedure. So let's get started. For this we need some 3mm quilling strips, quilling mold, red, black and blue acrylic color, paintbrush, keychain holder, eye pin, quilling tool, plier, liquid glue, pencil and scissor. First I am taking skin color 3mm strip. Here I have joined total 5 strips together and I am making one big tight coil for the face of Mario. Just secure the end. Now I am taking my quilling mold and making a dome shape. In the same way I have created one more dome using brown color strips by adding 5 strips of brown color. Now I am just adding glue inside these domes and spreading it using my brush. Let it dry for some time. Now I am taking 3 red and 4 blue color strips and I am making one more tight coil. Here I am making the body of Mario. Just secure the end. So this is done. In the same way, I have created one more tight coil using 7 blue color strips. Now again I am shaping both the domes. First take this blue color tight coil. Add glue inside this. And for the other tight coil, I am shaping it using my fingers because we need little more depth. Do it very slowly and very carefully, otherwise your strips will get opened. Now add glue inside this dome also. Spread this using brush and let both the domes dry. Now all the domes are little dried, so I will connect first the face part and then I am connecting body part. Like this. Now I will show you how to create hands. For this I am taking 1.5 strip of red color and first make a tight coil. Now take one pencil and insert through this and make a cone shape. Now just tap little bit from top. So this is done. I have already created one more tight coil using 1.5 strip of white color. So I am making one dome. Now just add glue inside cone and dome. And connect it with each other. So hands are ready. Now I will show you how to create legs with shoes. So first I will create the shoe. For this I am taking 3 mm strip of brown color and I have joined total 2 strips together. First make a tight coil. Like this. Now just pinch this tight coil and create a teardrop shape. So shoes are ready. Now I have already created 2 tight coils using 5 mm blue color strips. So I will show you how to create one more tight coil. So take one strip of blue color and make a tight coil again. If you don't have 5 mm, you can add 4 3 mm tight coils with each other. So this is done. Now I will connect all 3 tight coils with each other. And connect the leg with shoes. So legs with shoes are done. Now I will connect all the body parts with each other. Now I am taking one peach color strip of 3 mm and cutting it from the center because I need to create nose and ears of the Mario. For this I have needed little thin strip. So if you have 2 mm strips, you can use directly those, or you can cut the 3 mm strip from the center. So I am taking half strip and making one tight coil. Like this. Now just pinch it little bit from the center. So the nose is ready. Again I am taking half strip and making one tight coil to create the ears. So ear is ready. So I have created one more ear. Now I will connect nose and ear. I have created this little moustache using brown color paper. If you can't cut it finely, you can directly paint the moustache on the face of Mario using brown color. So this is done. Now I am taking some air dry clay and filling the gap between the body and leg using this air dry clay. In the same way I have added clay on other side. Let it dry completely. I have created some features, that is eyes, eyebrows, using acrylic colors. And also I have colored this clay area using blue acrylic color. Now I am adding the t-shirt belt and some buttons using yellow color paper. This is done. Now I have created this red color tight coil using 7 strips of 3 mm red color. Now I am just making a dome shape. Here I am creating the cap for the Mario. Just add glue inside the dome. I have created one semicircle using one strip of red color. So I am adding the semicircle with the cap. If you want to learn basic shapes of paper quilling, I have given link in description box. You can check there. So the cap is ready. I have added one white color circle on top of cap using white acrylic color, and now I am writing M alphabet on top of this. So M for Mario. This is done. Now just insert one eye pin through this and insert keychain holder. Just cut excess wire and twist it using plier. Like this. Now take the Mario and connect the cap with this. Let it dry completely for some time. So it's completely dried now, and our cute little quilled Mario keychain is ready. I have added quilling shiner on top of this to give it little shine and strength. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.